Hello and welcome to week 15. Week 15 of Shaw Online University's English 111, spring semester 2018. Yes, so what are we doing this week? Well, we are working on the first draft, or we're finishing the first draft of paper 3. So last week we did the research. We did the research for paper 3. You uploaded the works cited page. Now it's time to complete the full paper. So unlike paper 2 where we broke it down into smaller steps, we're taking not as many smaller steps. We're doing the works cited page, which we did last week, and now we got the full paper ready to go. So what are we doing? Okay, well, this will look familiar because you're going to upload the first draft of paper 3 for me to be able to give you feedback, and you're going to upload it here, just like we did for paper 2. So you're going to upload the same paper into 2 different places. Wah, wah. Both of these uploads are due by the 20th, okay? And then the peer reviews are due. So again, after you've uploaded here, then you have another week to give feedback to other students. Again, this was explained in detail for paper 2. So again, upload here your paper here, upload your paper here. Then after people have uploaded their paper, then you go in and give feedback to 2 people, okay, on their papers. Now you should be more of an expert on what they need to be doing for their papers to help give them feedback. So that is what's going on for week 15. So again, nothing really new as far as information goes. There's no Regans this week. We're just working on writing the paper. So you should have a fairly good first draft ready to go. So the more effort you put into the first draft, the easier it is to make revisions. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Not too bad this week. Well, actually, who am I kidding? You have to write a whole research paper. Ha! Okay, there you go. Go do it. You're almost done with the semester. You can do this. Hang in there. Work hard. Finish strong. You can do it. I know you can do it. All right.